$20 every 60 seconds. That means $100 in 5 minutes. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and in this video I will show you a super crazy strategy that is beginner friendly for making up to $100 every 5 minutes, which means that you're going to be making $20 every 60 seconds. Now, I'm not even exaggerating. You'll be using done for you templates and just selling a super simple service. Again, this is beginner friendly. You can do this from anywhere in the world and you don't need any expensive equipment. It is all done online. Now, before we are going to jump into this, make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to this channel if you like videos about making money online and working from home. Click on the bell, leave me a comment, tell me where you are from, and right now let's jump into this video. So guys, this whole strategy is about selling a Fiverr gig that is a video gig. Okay, so we will be delivering different types of gigs, and one great example is Instagram story video. Okay, so guys, people are buying these kind of gigs literally in the hundreds. So just go to Fiverr, type in Instagram story video, look for a gig that is already successful. So find a gig and a seller that already sold more than 100 gigs. Okay, so I found this one right here. I will create a stylish modern Instagram Facebook video story ad. Okay, so this one is for $20. All you have to do, and I'm going to show you how to deliver the gig in just a second, is mirror this already successful gig. So what I would do is I would just rewrite the title, I would rewrite the description, and I would use more or less the same packages. So the basic package is $20. Now check this out. The standard package is €26, which is $30. Premium is $40, which is $50. So $20 is just the starting point. So what I would do is I would maybe price it a little bit lower if you are just starting out, if you don't have any feedback from customers yet. Then later on, after having maybe 10 feedbacks from customers, you will put the prices up. And as you can see, if this guy is delivering in 2 days, I would deliver it in 1 day. And again, you will be delivering this in literally seconds, up to 60 seconds per video. And by the way, Instagram videos are just one of the ways you can make money with this. Okay, so first of all, you will need a Fiverr gig. You can sign up for Fiverr for free, mirror an already successful gig. And now the big question is, how do you actually deliver it? So don't worry, you don't need to be a video expert, you don't need to have a camera even. You will be using a simple online software. Okay, so guys, the software that I recommend if you want to start without spending any money is Canva. Okay, so Canva is great for different designs. You can create different images, but the latest thing is that you can actually create videos. So I found this category, your story. So this is for Instagram stories. So after clicking on it, you will have a bunch of different results when it comes to creating images, but also a few videos. So as you can see, this is actually a video for Instagram stories. And you can edit it. Okay, so whatever the person ordering on Fiverr will order it for. So this is for a birthday party, this can be for whatever. So obviously we'll just edit the text. All you have to do is just click right here, edit it, and then you will just save it. Okay, so after all the editing is done, you will just click on download. Now the thing with Canva is that you will have to pay per download. Okay, so they do have some free images, like some of these are free. So for example, this one will be free, the one that I showed you before will be paid. Okay, so you can use the free ones, you can use the paid ones. Obviously, if you're going to pay $5 to get the download, you're going to have to charge at least $10, $15, $20. So guys, you're working with templates. You can work with both free and paid, and Canva is a great tool. Now I also wanted to show you a second tool, and the second tool is paid, but it will only cost you $17 and you get to use it forever. This is a low one-time fee and you don't have to pay for these videos over and over again. So the name of this new software is Slick. Okay, so as you can see, you can create a bunch of different things with it. So we have posts and stories. So this is one type of a gig that you can sell. So you have Facebook video feed, Facebook story, Facebook Instagram videos, Facebook Insta articles, Instagram story, Instagram video feed, and audience network rewarded video. So guys, each and every single one of these videos is 1 gig. So you will create 1 gig for Facebook video feed, another gig for Facebook stories, another gig for Facebook Instagram videos, etc. Okay, now how easy it is to create all of these? It is super easy. Let me just click on this Facebook video feed. And as you can see, again, we are working with templates. So you just pick the template of your choice, you edit this text right here, and then you save it and you are done. You just send whatever you created to your buyer. So guys, it is super easy to work with these. Again, going back right here, as you can see, you can create a bunch of different versions of videos. Now, posts and stories is just one thing, because you can also create online ads for people. Ads are even more expensive. So you can do Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube video ads, LinkedIn ads, and ads for blogs. And going back to Fiverr, I just typed in Facebook video ad. Guys, some of these videos are going for hundreds of dollars. So this first one right here, this guy sold 232 gigs and he is charging $350 for a Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram video ad. So again, what I would do, I would just see what this guy is doing, mirror this gig. So let's say, you know, he charges 337. I would charge 200 in the beginning. He delivers in 7 days. I would deliver in 2 or 3 days. That's how you're going to compete with this successful seller. And again, all of these automated templates are already done for you. All you have to do is just pick the one of your choice and edit them and make money this way. Guys, this is the easiest money that you'll ever make. You can edit these templates literally in seconds. The first link in the description, if you're watching this on YouTube right now, will take you to my full review of the Slick app. Okay, so I have a review. If you're going to pick it up through my affiliate link, which is one of these blue links, you will actually get my bonus, well over $5,000 worth of bonuses. So do check out my full review right here. I have a separate video review and a separate demo. So if you are interested, please check it out. And again, Slick is a great software because you are only paying once and you get to use it forever for free from this point on. And again, you can use Canva, but with Canva you do have some free templates for the ones that are looking really slick like the software. You're gonna have to pay, okay, but it's still cool because you will only pay after you will get the order. Okay, so you set up the Fiverr gig, you get the order, and you're gonna get this money, $20 for example, and then you go to Canva, you pay $5, and then you keep the difference. Okay, so guys, this is an amazing way of making money, especially if you're a beginner, especially if you don't know where to start when it comes to making money online. You don't need a website for this, you don't need experience, you don't need any tech skills. You can do this from anywhere in the world. And this is actually how I got started online back in 2012. Okay, I was creating not these kind of videos, but I was doing intro videos and simple designs, etc. So guys, I'm super excited for this new software because I know that it will make you money. Check it out. Again, the first link in the description will take you to my full review. Check out my bonus as well. You will get tons of bonuses from me if you will decide to pick up Slick through my link. If you're on my blog review, just click on one of these blue links. This is my affiliate link. So as you can see, Slick will be going live at 11 AM Eastern on November 1st. So if you have any questions, please leave me a comment under this YouTube video, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I'm super excited because the opportunity here is absolutely crazy, especially if you're going to create all these different types of gigs. So Facebook video, Facebook story, Instagram story, YouTube video ad, etc. Okay, so guys, jump on it right now, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Ciao.